Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we will be discussing about gold. It's a very crucial area, do or die, and yes. So we'll be discussing. I'll take a few of this trend line so that we will have some. You will understand why I'm marking the way I'm marking. And if you have not subscribed this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So we'll be discussing just about gold. I'll make it very quick and short and sweet. So this is in 4 hour. What we can do is first let's see the view of this longer macro perspective. So it was in good downtrend after a very, after a very good rally, and it was making lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and we had taken so many good trades over here in between, and now it's in one channel. So this is the channel which we can just, okay, we'll make it like this, and let me take off this. Yes, so right now this trend line, it's respecting actually this one. Yesterday I plotted this even before this has formed. So this had formed, so I just plotted about this, and now it is taking resistance, and also there is a very important trend line which is coming. Okay, and this green zone is a buying area. Even if it is falls, we will see what is it forming over here, over there. Now the level which I would say is for buying, and if it is for selling, it is not that, I don't have that conviction. Okay, I don't have that conviction, but still, if this trend line, if you find any good breakdown, you can short, or you can see whether it is taking resistance at that area, and you can short at this place. I wouldn't be doing it. And this is also an inverted flag and pull. Okay, and if you are taking entry at this area, this will be the target, very short target, and the second one is this one. Okay, this is for short, and yeah, obviously above this will be your stop loss, whatever the candle which comes, the breakdown candle will be the stop loss. Okay, so this is for short. Now for buying, I'll be waiting for good breakout candle, and if this high is taken out, we can go long. What are the logic? It's breaking out from this trend line, the long trend line. Also this is the channel. Now when it is channel, isn't this is also a flag and pole? Yes, but the pole is not long, but it is also flag. So if you find any good bullish candle at this area with some good small stop loss, your first target will be 1811, and as it goes, few more highs we can find, 1840. So this will be the target. Yes, so this will be the area to buy, this blue line. Okay, that is a good level, what I believe. There will be a breakout, right? Good breakout, and price has stayed almost here. In 1 hour you can see it has, it stayed over here. It didn't just come lower than this. So we'll see if there is any breakout from this trend line. We'll be buying, guys, and below that breakout candle will be the stop loss. Yeah, this one. Okay, this area is little bit of, it may take hurdle. You can also keep this as your conservative target and exit, because there was this candle. This area is very important. So let's see how it goes, guys. Yeah, I'll be taking trade in gold. This is a positional trade, not a quick trade. We'll see. And the Indian time of 6 and Qatar time of 3:30, that is the more volatile, you can see, because the US market is opening at that time, and Dubai time will be 4:30. So 3:30 to 7 p.m, there will be more volatile, and at that particular time gold will have very big move. So be careful at that time if you're taking trade, and that is a good time for anyone to take trade. All right then, so let me not waste your time, guys. I hope you guys have learned something, and make sure you hit the like button so that I'll know that you guys are enjoying in this channel and you are learning something. And also we have created a new Telegram channel. I'll be sharing my link if possible. If I think I have that link, and I'll be sharing in my description, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Take care. Small quantity, learn more, observe more. Thank you very much.